Yo, what's up? I just want to show you how I improvise. I don't know how to play piano. Don't call me and say, bro, play for me. I don't know shit about this. All I know is I know how to count notes. So I know what's where. Okay, let me pull my piano stand at the back. So what I do is I know few things. This is C. This is C. This is C, right? So what I know is I know how to count this. It's C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So you know, if you know this, it's same thing, and then you get your sharp, your F sharp, your D sharp right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna improvise. Okay, I don't know how to play piano. Let me do this. Like what I've been doing is I've been hitting different notes, improvising. That's all I've been doing. That's it. You learn from this. I don't know. Can somebody teach me how to play piano? Teach me.